Good day guys, I want to show you guys how to fix this type of washing machine that doesn't pause and play anymore. Okay, so now after you lose it from the back, okay, after losing the screw, push it to the back, open it. So once you open it, you take off this, you hold it down to push it out. Okay, after that is the water that's make this rust. So after you lose, there's a screw here, you lose it. So after you lose the screw, look at this. I hope you can see this. There is a plastic here holding this. Okay, yes, this is it. I hope you can see it. So you press it down, you find a screwdriver to press it down. So once you get the screwdriver, look, the way I will press it, so I'll be able to pull it out. Just make sure you get a screwdriver to press it down. Check the second side here. I hope you can see it's also there. These two sides. So after pressing it came out. Now after pull it out this way, next thing you will do is you will lose. There's a screw here. I've already loosed the screw. There's a screw here. So you lose the screw. So after losing the screw, you pull it up. Once you pull it, now let's remove this. This is what we need to. We are working on this board, okay? Only on this board. That is where the problem lies, okay? Now I pull this. So from there, you will open this, okay? You take this out, and also you pull it out. This. Okay. After that, you take the board. Now, once you take the board out, you have to look at this. You have to look at it very well. I will show you something. Make sure you have your soldering iron and your lead to work on it. So now, let me use this as an example. You look all these tiny lines. After that, you also look this big line. Look at this. Now, how do you detect where the problem lies that doesn't make the play and pause button to work. Mostly it fall on this line, this big line. You can see I scratch it, find a blade to scratch this. So once you see the copper, you put your lead here and you put your lead also. Yours might be from here, yours might be here. So maybe it's here, you just have to find a blade to scratch it, any iron to scratch it very well. Then you can put your lead on it. Look at this now. You can see I scratch it. So I put my lead here, put it here. Look at this place also. You can see the way I do it. So okay, now let's look at this place. Once you see something like this, okay, once you see something like this, you can look at this place also. You can see it's different from this. Look at this place. This thing is different from this. That means there is an issue here. Okay, so you get a blade to scratch it. Once you just scratch it, you see the copper. Once you see the copper, you for instance now, you scratch this. Okay, once you scratch it, you see a copper, but this place that is bad, you won't see the copper there. So you move next to this, maybe next to this, that the leg is still okay. You scratch it. Once you scratch it, you see a copper. Then you sewed your lead here from here to here to merge it together. Okay, look the way I do this place. You can see I scratch all these, but later on I detect that the legs are okay. Okay, even though you scratch it, once the legs are okay, it won't affect anything from there. It won't affect anything. But sometimes once you detect, these are very tiny legs. Okay, so you just put to the iron and lead to merge everything together this way, like this. Are you getting me? If you have any question, you can comment on my video. I will reply you. So after getting everything fixed this way, how you can see, this was the first one I did. So after some days, it developed another pause and play issue. So I pull it out again. That's why I did this place also. Okay, so now let me fix it back and let's test it. Maybe it works or not. So now let's plug it. I hope you can see. Now I plug it. Okay, let me put this. Now there are some light that they are not working anymore. Those light doesn't mean depend on, but it doesn't stop it from working. Okay, I used to use the quick wash. This light is for the quick wash. If you check the this, if you check this, you see quick. You can see. So So now I put this here, and also put this. Let me see. That is 1000. Spin 1000. Okay. So make sure you clip this very well. Okay. If it doesn't clip it well, it won't communicate with the board. Now and I put on spin 1000, and I press the play button. I hope you can see now. As you can see, it's not working. You can hear the sound. You can see it's now spinning. So that's all you need to know about the pause and play once you have issue with your washing machine. If you fix it and it doesn't work for you, send me comments. I will reply to your comments. Okay, as you can see, it's not working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Bye.